Incorrect thermostat wiring can totally mess up your heating and cooling system, leaving you stuck with no heat or freezing cold air when you just want your home comfy. Okay, so when your thermostat is wired wrong, you might notice your heater or air conditioner not kicking on at all, or maybe it's running non-stop and driving your energy bills through the roof. Sometimes the system switches between heating and cooling randomly, which is super annoying and confusing. A quick tip is to always turn off power to your HVAC system before messing with wires to avoid any shocks. Grab the wiring diagram for your thermostat model or check the manufacturer's instructions online. They usually have clear color codes and step-by-step guides. Make sure the wires are connected to the right terminals on the thermostat and at the furnace or air handler, because mixing them up causes all kinds of trouble. Tighten any loose connections because loose wires can cause intermittent heating or cooling issues. If you're not 100% sure about what you're doing, it's smart to call a pro rather than risk frying your equipment or making problems worse. One of the biggest mistakes with thermostat wiring is mixing up the power wires, especially the common wire or C wire, which can cause your thermostat to lose power or malfunction. Fix this by confirming the C wire is hooked up properly to provide constant power. Another common issue is swapping the heating and cooling control wires, leading to weird behavior like the AC turning on during winter. Double-check connections against your HVAC system's manual to avoid this. The third problem is ignoring loose or corroded connections, which cause your system to cycle on and off too frequently. Make sure all wiring is secure and clean to keep everything running smoothly. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to heating and cooling fixes like thermostat wiring. It also gives contractors a platform to connect with people who need their services, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.